Hi guys, I'm Lindsay.digman, co-founder of ShrinkRay. We are a photogrammetry company, which is the process of turning 2D photographs into 3D models. And we use this to create our main products, which are 3D printed miniatures of people's houses. We did this one using about 300 drone photographs. It's pretty cool. It's made out of sandstone. You can hang it on your Christmas tree. Super cute. Recently, we've been experimenting with something new though. We've been using cell phone cameras to do 3D scans of people's faces and turn them into bobbleheads. We're really interested in seeing how well people could do this at home though, so I'm going to be making an instructional video on how to 3D scan your face, and for whoever sends us pictures and videos for us to process, we will put you into a drawing to have a free 3D printed bobblehead done of yourself. So click the link. Thank you guys.